Welcome to day 38. Day 38 of our Confidence to Cash 90-day sprint. Yesterday we talked about how AI can help you work smarter. And today we're going to go one step further and we're going to talk about automation. And we're talking about the way that automation is into your business and how your business will run while you rest, while you live, while you enjoy your life. Imagine waking up and realizing that your business worked for you overnight. That's not a dream, it's automation. And whenever I first started online, I was glued to my phone. I felt like I was needing to post all the time. I needed to reply all the time. I needed to follow up all the time. In the business world, it will fall apart. It wasn't until I learned about automation and the right things that changed everything. Automation doesn't mean losing your personal touch. It means letting technology handle what doesn't require your constant attention. So you can show up more powerful whenever it does matter. You can automate your emails, your welcoming sequences so that new people instantly feel connected. Your social media posts, your message shows up even when you're offline. Your leads follow up so that you never miss a potential customer again. Think of automation 24/7 as a digital assistant. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't forget. It doesn't take a day off. So you can. So here's what I want you to do today. Pick one thing that is in your business that feels so repetitive. Maybe it's sending emails. Maybe it's posting content. Or it's reminding people about your offer. And ask yourself, how could I automate this? Maybe that means using an email autoresponder, using tools like Meta or Later, or setting up an AI to draft out weekly posts. If you're new to this, don't worry. Start small. You don't have to automate everything overnight. The goal is to create systems that serve you and not stress you. When your business runs without micromanaging every step, you create that space for creativity, more joy, more freedom. And remember, freedom doesn't come from doing more. It comes from designing your business to support your life. Your desire to have a business that runs with ease, one that gives you time with your family, your faith, your purpose. Automation isn't cold, it's caring. It's how to protect your energy, how to multiply your impact. And so here's a challenge for day 38. Automate just one task today. Whether it's scheduling your posts for the week, whether it's setting up your email welcome series, or choosing AI to organize the next 30 days of your content, do something that gives you your time back. Then come back here and comment where you automated today. Let's celebrate those wins because every small system you build should bring you total freedom. So tomorrow on day 39, we're going to talk about something more powerful, how to stay authentic in the digital world, even when using AI and automation. You won't want to miss this. See you tomorrow.